history, and that one's thrown away by Reeves. Lakers only turned it over 7 times in the opener. There's Durant, KD from deep and down. Get used to it.
Many times. Of course, just give and go and good assist from AD.
That one's behind Nurkic. Not a good. Durant had 7 turnovers in the opener. AD rim running and throws it down. Instagram, you can see some of the highlights at practice. Boy, the camaraderie is off the charts so far for this team. Beal! Bradley goes all the way to dunk it.
That time, little miscommunication.
Ultimately fouled out in the game against the Clippers. A game that went overtime, and they won. Once again, operating baseline. This time it's Rui's turn.
Oh, good.
He is hurt, but we wanted to see him out on the floor. Here is Durant. Boy, he does everything, doesn't he?
I mean, when you're almost 7 foot, you got
reason or another. Booker stops. There's the jump shot. He's got it. Deep and down for Devin Booker.
The one in transition.
Lakers are down 15-9. AD Reeves got it.
Well, they got a break there, loose ball, and AD
will be here. Another turnover.
Yeah, that should have been a bounce pass.
Booker, he goes right at D'Angelo.
Did a good job of making D'Angelo.
It'll be orchestrated this time by Reeves. AR cross. Christie on its way, down it goes. Max Christie.
Lakers are 5 out of 30.
Yeah, and they should get many more attempts from there also. Well, there's a three-pointer by Monty Morris.
Again, chase mode, you're going to give up a good look.
And by the way, he has 22 assists to just 1 turnover. Oh, that's a great dish. Join the Lakers if the Lakers start the season 1-0. Booker leaning, shooting pretty.
He's just got the full repertoire.
Shooting 63% overall and 63% from beyond the arc so far in the game. Beal trying to keep it going, and he does just that. He's throwing out a bunch of hints. I'm staying in shape. I'm ready. Lakers take it away. We have half a minute to go in the quarter. 3-on-3. LeBron all the way. Scoops it up and in.
Again,
at 5 the other night, played 16 minutes. Beal, a little hesitation by O'Neal into the corner. Done. Did that go off the board?
Touched the glass.
That went off the board.
From deep in the corner.
It won't continue, but still you're digging yourself this massive hole. Hachimura finally.
Well,
the Lakers get another basket. Step it up and be that guy. Give you 18, 19 a game. Beal, that's a rainbow. Then back up. Jax wanted the outlet. Now he's going to go to the dribble. Wisely gives it up. Connect! The rookie hits a 3. All for 3. Bradley Beal. Done. Boy, for rookie, he's got the green light, huh? Down nothing but purple jerseys. And Rui controlling it. He played for Japan in the Olympics, averaged 22 points. Connect again. Yes, sir! Yes, sir, Dalton. Crowd, sellout crowd, urging defense. They want Durant. They get Durant. He shoots. He scores to beat the shot clock. Did not reset, remember. It's at 3. It's at 2. It's at 1. Tough shot. And he scores to beat the clock.
There are no tough shots for Kevin Durant.
We'll put down a little bit better here in the last few possessions.
Well, they're not in chase mode as much.
Down the middle, another great move by Reeves. And
there's no shit.
Reeves, can he knock down a 3? Yes. Yes! Austin Reeves. Night, the start of the road trip in Phoenix. Take us to 5 different cities, including Canada. Toronto, to be specific. AD. And once again, the chemistry and the connection. Well, Lakers on an 18-8 run. Get right back in this. Oh, the turn, the spin, the score, LeBron.
Well, Royce.
But they've been outscored 22-13 at this juncture. Booker for 3. And they're back at it.
He's got Austin Reeves only for the turnaround.
And beautiful. Nothing but net. All right, Lakers have a minute and a half to try to bite into this lead a little bit more. Reeves dazzles the crowd. And again, the finish to Davis.
Even switched. He's got D'Angelo guarding Kevin Durant. That's going to require a lot of help.
Boy, and they recognize that immediately, and you called it. LeBron with a head of steam. Here he goes. Drive, kick, touch. Reeves, three. Yes, got it.
A good ball.
He's going 1-on-2. Now it's Reeves, 2 in a row on its way. Down it goes. Beal, how about that? 8 assists to lead their team. LeBron straight away. Yes.
Into any kind of defensive positioning.
By the way, those two are very close. They've been good friends since junior high school. That person. Yeah, right to Booker, who could not knock it down. James with a head of steam all the way to the rim. Beal. Nurkic, here he goes, runs into Jack way out of control. Threw it over his head.
What kind of a shot was that?
Not a good one. Now it's LeBron. Drive, kick, game, yes! Beal, now LeBron with his back to the basket. He's thinking about turning. He's thinking about shooting. He's thinking about scoring. Now Oklahoma City, of course. Rui, good fake. Here he goes! Throw it down, Rui! Taking in, Durant misses, and it's taken by Hayes. Scooping now to AR. Reeves, step back three. Beauty! Yes, sir!
He set that one up.
Straight threes. Completely different game. Over Rui and the score.
As soon as you say that, they score. Better do something with it on 5.
Yeah. Oh, Rui's going to shoot it. Rui's going to shoot it.
Better.
He's going to. Well, he gave it off. What a dish. What a dish.
I don't know if Jackson Hayes had his fingers off the ball.
Booker. You know he can get hot, but not right now. He's not. Jones corner. At first, if you don't succeed. Austin trying to get it back. Reeves for three. Got it again. Well, so much for that three-point slump. Sad little slump, little tiny slump. Here is Reeves. Look at that little no look. I got it. You take it. Hot potato. D'Lo. Yes, sir. Timeout, Phoenix.
That's
so 21-2. Davis going to lose it. No, he gets it back. And he throws it down softly.
Perseverance.
Oh, man. Important spot. AD stripped away. For offensive rebound, maybe? No. AD almost had it. Now here comes Phoenix. They need buckets, and they need them in a hurry. Count of it goes. It goes. And one.
Well, when you need a bucket, that's who to give it to.
Yeah. Phoenix. And Booker throws it away. Here come the Lakers. LeBron with the basketball. AD on the way. Throw it down. At the other end, they score right back. In by the smallest guy on the floor for the Lakers, Gabe Vincent. Oh, Booker, under some duress, rattles it in from three. LeBron backing in. LeBron all the way. Here comes Durant to help. Open is Rui. Rui for three. Danita, who's with us tonight, one of them. And Brian is back doing stats for us. Is 3-1 for, oh no, Booker's going to score. And the crowd's going to boo. The mind? At all. In fact,